Good morning. So it is finally Vlogmas day 31, New Year's Eve, last day of Vlogmas. And let me tell you, it was a struggle, but I enjoyed every minute of it. I'm gonna continue to do some vlogs afterwards because I think I got the hang of it. Well, not so much, but so I am heading to work, and I'm working till noon. Then I want to come home and do a couple of things, just pick up a couple of things before the new year. My husband decided he is gonna do the peppers and onions with the sausage and stuff. He was like, we just have pernil for Thanksgiving, and then we have pernil again for Christmas, which was just a few days ago. I don't want to have another one. So I was like, we'll do the sausage, pepper, and onions because it's still kind of like, it's still going to be good. Like, I can still see, like, it's going to be good. So I don't have much going on today. Like I said yesterday, we are going to spend New Year's Eve here. It's just my husband, our son, and then tomorrow we'll head into the city. My dad, his brother came over Monday, so they spent some time with him. They had a good time. My cousins saw him. They FaceTime with his sisters in Puerto Rico and his other brother that lives up in Hartford. So I'm happy for that. Today, my brother, his girl, and my mom's brother is supposed to be coming over to spend, a little time with them. But again, I already know they not staying up till midnight. So I was like, well, it's nice. I didn't go because of that, but I'm happy that at least, he'll spend it with my sister and my brother, and sometimes all you want is to stay in your pajamas at home and, cook a little this, eat a little here, spend some time just doing nothing. And, at the end of the day, we'll be together, and then, I got what I wanted. So, but I'm just so not in the mood for work today. There's like a mist in the air, that kind of mist that, Jackie over here with no jacket can get sick from. But, and the last couple of days, I've been feeling so like, stuffy. I don't know. And I know a lot of the times when it's misty like this, that makes me my eyes are watering. Like, what the freak? It makes me very like tight, and it makes it harder for me to breathe. But I don't know if you remember a few videos back when I was talking about starting this weight loss journey. And I was like, I'm not going to get on the scale because, you wake up those days and you're like, I feel so light, and I feel like, I feel like I lost a little bit. That's how I feel today. And I was like, don't get on the scale, Jack. So I got on the scale, but it didn't move. So I found it funny because I had just said not too long ago that I wasn't going to get on the scale. I was going to look at my clothes and stuff, and I didn't want to be like, I feel light. Yeah, I feel like I'm feeling light. Yeah, no, girl. That's how I feel today, but no. So this morning I was like, what the hell? But you gotta laugh because I was telling my husband yesterday, he was like, girl, it's been 2 days. You had eggs in your little omelet and your oatmeal, and then yesterday I had my eggs and some soup. So I said to him, it's 2.5 days, like, and he was like, don't put all this pressure on yourself and just, you know, do it slowly. And I was like, listen, I don't need that negativity in my life. And he was like, I'm serious, don't get all crazy. And I was like, then we went to the supermarket and I was like, let me get some grapes and let me get some things. Oh man, I forgot my yogurt. So I packed up like some yogurt and I put blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, because I bought like a little, whatchamacallit? And I left it on the table there. Anyways, I'll eat it when I get home. I don't get a lunch. But I was gonna, you know, nibble on it like maybe 10, 11. Yeah, so I need a new mindset, because I know that people are like, oh, you know, don't say diet because then you feel like you're restricted. You gotta say it's a what did she say to me? A new way, a life change. That's what she said to me. I said to her, listen, I'm not trying to change my life, I'm just trying to lose a little weight. And she was like, that's what you gotta come with. Well, I think it was one of my customers was like, I said to her, no, because we must have gotten like 8 cookie platters. And you know, we divided it between ourselves, and I ended up with two. And then another customer came in with these big Hershey chocolates, 2 boxes. And I was like, oh my God, like what the hell? And I appreciate it, and I was like, oof. But I'm gonna take my half, and I'm just gonna eat it on the weekends, you know. Or if I get like that craving for like a piece of chocolate, because I'm not gonna deny myself a piece of chocolate. But I feel like when, you know, you get to a point where your body stops craving sugar, like sweets, and you stop craving like you know, I don't really drink soda. I drink it like once in a blue moon. But you know, I know people that have like 3 and 4 bottles of soda a day, and they're like, you know, your body is craving it like some kind of drug. So I feel that soon, or I hope soon, my body will not want, you know, will stop craving sweets. And I think my biggest problem is bread, hot toasted bread with some butter. Oh, and then you take a gulp of your coffee and it's like so that's the thing. And then yesterday we bought vegetables and stuff, but I bought that pan sobao from Puerto Rico. I bought this little rolls. They're like egg knots or something like that, made from eggs, which I had this morning with a little butter. Then we bought these heroes for the sausage and peppers and sliced bread. So much bread. And I was just like so, you know, slowly but surely we gonna get it. And then my husband went to McDonald's to get something for my son. And my son only drinks water. He doesn't drink soda. He doesn't drink, you know, a lot of those juices. So they charged him $1. Look, a cup of water, a whole $1 just for the water, because they didn't sell water bottles. So I kept it, and I made myself my coffee. So it's hot coffee. Well, it was hot coffee. And then I put the whole protein because it's big. And I kind of feel like that's going to hold me. So that's what this is. And then I had put it into the freezer just so it could stay cold, because it was kind of like warm before I put the ice, and I forgot it and it froze. So then today I took it out and it defrosted, and I'm going to drink it today. So that's another thing I need to like mentally changed. Like I go to Starbucks. When I go to Dunkin' here, right next door, I walk in and this had like pieces of ice in it. I walk in and the guy's like, extra large, hot coffee, extra milk, 3 sugars. And I'm like, yes. Extra large. If you go into Dunkin' and you didn't know, they sell extra large hot coffee. So now I have to walk in and be like, medium, we're gonna start slow. I was gonna say small, but Jack, you know damn well you ain't gonna say that. Medium hot coffee, extra milk, 1 sugar. Or I'll get my matcha. But yeah, this I feel like I'm pressuring myself, but I'm trying not to. So I'm already at work. I will talk to you guys later, depending on what we do. Because we ain't doing nothing. Hey guys, so I just got out of work, and what a day. But look, I got these flowers from one of my customers, and she was like, I came for Christmas and you weren't here, and I just wanted to say thank you, appreciate everything you did. And I was like, oh. So I'm taking them home. Isn't that nice? You know, you complain and you're like, you know, I need to change, I need something else, I'm already frustrated. But then you get something like this and you're like, maybe you are making a difference. Hallmark song. No, but for real, you know, it was nice. So I'm gonna take it home and I'm gonna tell my husband that some guy showed up and gave me the flowers. He's gonna be like, yeah, right. But so I'm gonna open up that Shein box now. I gotta take a couple of things out that I got for my sister, and I got a couple of things for my sister. And since I'm going tomorrow, I'm gonna take it to her. So I have picked up these like knobs, like diamond looking knobs, because my sister's dresser is very good wood, but the knobs itself are pretty much crap, and they've been falling off little by little. And instead of her just screwing it back, she keeps taking it off, so she opens it this way instead of through the. So I saw the knobs because I had did it to mine, and I was like, I'm gonna take it to her, and you know, I'm gonna just put them on and see if she notices. And then when I was there the other day, I was washing my hair, and I realized that when I wash my hair, so much hair comes out, and I'd be like, oh my god, like, and I know they say you're supposed to lose like 100 strands a day, but I felt like it was like 500. So I bought one of those things, you know, those long sticks, they got like the cut up edges, and you stick it into the drainer, and then you pull it out and all your hairs come out. I got one of those to take over there because my hair falls out a lot, and my sister's not really, but I feel like I'm clogging up that bathtub. So, you know, she does this thing she saw on Pinterest, I think it was, where you put baking powder or something and then like hot water, and it bubbles up and takes everything out. But that didn't work. That works in the sink with like food and stuff, but not with hair. So I got that, and then I got something else. What did I get? I got her something else. I gotta go through the box and stuff. Maybe I'll film something and have something up for the new year. Maybe. Don't get excited. Maybe. So I'll see you guys when we start doing our sausage, peppers, and onions. Ooh,
exit ways in case of an emergency. With FDNY
6:07. We got a long way to go.
Where are they?
Where are they?